back with the UK's top Etsy keywords for April 2024. Let us take the guesswork out of your Etsy SEO. We'll show you the most popular UK shopper searches. Then we'll analyse what these trending keywords tell us about what's selling best on Etsy in the UK now. If this is your first time here, the lovely Jan over at the eRank blog creates these reports. This is just a video summary. For more details, please check the blog. Here's April's top 20 Etsy shopper searches in the UK, and as always, beware of trademark terms. This report may contain keywords that are trademarked. So what's new month on month to the UK's top 20 Etsy keywords? This month the UK has a massive 12 keywords that were not in last month's top 20, and 3 of them were screamers. That's keywords not in last month's top 1000. This is even more interesting when you consider out of the top 4 countries, the UK is the only one that doesn't celebrate Mother's Day in May, so we get to see what shoppers are looking for without the big Etsy holiday traffic. April's climbers and screamers. These searches climbed the highest the fastest in April. We've listed them in rank order with their current rank first. Some of these we can see Etsy is promoting. We think every shopper click on one of these call to actions gets recorded as a search. Here, for instance, is the source of your number 4 climber birthday gift and your 17th screamer anniversary gift. Wondering why they show as plurals on the Etsy homepage, yet in singular form in our top 20? Because Etsy records them as such. It's easy to prove. We clicked on the plural for birthday gifts call to action and the landing page showed us this. Yep, it switches the singular birthday gift in both the browser address bar and the Etsy search bar, and it does the exact same thing with anniversary gifts. Why does this matter? It doesn't actually. Singular or plural keywords should bring the shopper to the same results. In fact, this shows it doesn't matter to Etsy's algorithm. And it also supports our theory that some of these top ranked keywords are boosted by Etsy promos, like this next one, number 8 laser engraving bundle. You what? For ranking 8th overall, that's crazy. Reminds you of your Lone March Screamer 14k gold chain necklace, the one you shared with the US and which dropped straight back out of both your top 1000s this month. The US's top 1000 does have this new search too, but it's ranked at number 105, while Canada, spoiler alert, it's their number 1, and Australia's to boot. And check out the pie chart showing the global distribution of Etsy shoppers using this search. We don't even need to check. We're sure this is the most colourful Etsy shopper pie chart we've ever seen. Austria and the Netherlands have the largest portions, but it all seems pretty evenly distributed, suspiciously so. Be that as it may, though, you can't deny that 150% click-through rate. Whatever brought 18,600 UK shoppers to Etsy to search for these, they went on to click 27,837 listings, and a 12-month click-through rate of 150% is a powerful indication of purchase intent. If Etsy's AI is promoting these, we figure it has its reasons. However, that 1-month spike in the 15-month search trend graph above does give us pause. At least for now, we don't recommend this product as one to jump on yet. Maybe add it to a keyword list and let it monitor it for you. Number 5, gift for home. Speaking of spikes, here's another of your April screamers. That spike represents 19,800 UK shopper searches in April. But look what happens if we tick the include near matches box on the keyword stats chart. This data is for 6 searches: gifts for home, gifts for the home gift, gifts for the home gifts, and gifts for the home. We talked here in December about how home gift ranked 4th. It garnered almost 99,000 searches that month. So if you're using that keyword and your listings are performing well, stick with it. Home gift still ranks number 23rd this month. Also hot with the UK Etsy shoppers now. First, let's take a quick minute to consider your April number one keyword, gift. Guess what? April 2023 number one search was also gift, so the exact same search in the number one spot exactly a year apart. But in 2023, it had 42,850 searches. Year on year, gift is up 79% now. Think Etsy's gift mode promotions might have something to do with that? Let's round up your shopper searches with high click-through rates in April 2024. This year we've begun wrapping up our trend reports with these. Now you likely won't be able to rank for the highest of them, many will be too broad. Instead, those are indicators of what your Etsy shoppers are currently motivated to buy. Remember, click-through rates indicate purchase intent. Then take the broad searches into the keyword tool to niche down, that is, to identify more long-tail keywords for the products you do have a chance to rank for in search. You can use the same procedure whether you're researching SEO or products to sell on Etsy. So for those of you who are new to Etsy or eRank, we'll step you through the first one. Number 3, stickers. Stickers has an April click-through rate of 150%, so here it is in the keyword tool. As you can see, stickers has the green banner alerting us it's been popular in the past week. Well, we knew that, but it's got competition from your fellow UK sellers to match. So how to niche down with the keyword tool? First, tick that Include Near Matches box on the top right corner of the keyword stats bar. Doing that will show us the results for singular and plural sticker keywords. Then we'll scroll down the page to the related searches table. This is the default view and it doesn't offer much hope, does it? But wait, there's so much more you can find just by sorting these related keywords. Have a look. Here's the same table sorted by the search trend column. This shows us keywords that are trending now in order by current search volume, and that alone changes the Etsy competition odds considerably. Pride stickers had 1,400 searches in April, and wow, check out the click-through rate, 140%. Good to know for next year. Be sure to give them at least 6 weeks in advance. And see, competition on the keyword is green at just 3,962. So just searching like this, you can see several potential sticker ideas. Bin stickers, wall stickers, and even small stickers. Scroll on down and have a look for yourself. Your top Etsy shopper searches with 125% or more click-through rate in April. Click-through rates exceeding 125% are exceedingly good. So these are the best of the best right now. And check out the blog for even more. Note these click-through rates are calculated just for April, which means they're hot now. Their 12-month average click-through rate will most likely be different. Also, just our customary word to the wise, a handful of these are protected intellectual property, but with close to 40 that are not, we hope that some prove to be profitable leads for you. And with that, it's west to Canada for us. As always, we love hearing what you think about these or any other trends you've spotted. You're welcome to join us in eRank's private Facebook group with over 28,000 members from around the world. Someone friendly is always up and about.